In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use internal tagging in Sprout Social's Smart Inbox. Tagging in Sprout Social helps your team stay organized, track trends, and route conversations to the right people. Think of tags as quick labels you attach to messages so you can find patterns, report on topics, and prioritize work faster. We'll start by creating the tags you'll use. From your Sprout dashboard, go to Settings, then find Tags under Global Features. This is your central library of labels the team can apply. Click Add Tag to create a new one. Give it a clear, descriptive name, something like New Customer, Complaint, Sales Lead, or Issue. Short, specific names are best, and it helps to use consistent capitalization so everything looks uniform in reports. Next, choose which groups the tag should be available for. Groups control who can see and apply the tag, so assign only the teams that actually need it to avoid clutter. When you're happy with the setup, save the tag. That adds it to your organization's list and makes it available in the Smart Inbox. Now let's apply tags to real conversations. Open the Smart Inbox and select the message you want to categorize. On that message, click the Tags dropdown. You can search by name to find the right label quickly, then select the tag or tags that fit. If your role has permission, you can type a new tag name right there to create it on the spot. That's handy when something new pops up, but try to keep your tag list clean and consistent. Check for an existing tag before adding a new one to avoid duplicates. You can apply more than one tag if the message spans multiple topics, like both sales lead and product question. Just make sure every tag you use genuinely adds value. Over-tagging can make reporting noisy. A few best practices to keep in mind as you work. Decide on a simple naming convention with your team, such as singular nouns, title case, and clear categories. Keep your tag list lean by retiring or merging tags that overlap. Use groups to limit tags to the people who need them, which makes the drop-down faster to navigate. And remember, permissions determine who can create tags on the fly. If you can't, just choose from the existing list. That's it. With tags set up and applied consistently in the Smart Inbox, your team will sort messages faster and gain clearer insights into what your audience needs.